Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to the video in which we are dealing with your chapter number 2. This video is for class 7th and the subject is computer. So, my dear students, as you already know, that we have already completed the syllabus of this subject for half yearly, right? So, chapter number 2 we are going to see as of revision part. So, chapter number 2 was your number system, and in this chapter we are having at a total of 4 types of number system with us. Yes, so first one is our decimal number system with a base value of 10. Second one is our binary number system with a base of 2. Now third one is octal number system with a base of 8, and the last one is your hexadecimal number system with a base of 16. Right? So what is the meaning of this base that we have taken after every number system? Base means how many numbers or how many symbols a particular number system is having, right? So decimal number system have a base of 10, it means it is having 0 to 9 digits, right? Binary number system is having only 2, that is why 0 and 1 we are having. Octal number system is having 8, so 0 to 7 we are having, and hexadecimal we are having 16, so 0 to 15 we are having, right? But 15 as a digit is not possible now. So for hexadecimal number system what we do is that from 0 to 9 we take as numbers, right? After 9 we start with these letters a b c d e f. Now this A represent number 10, B represent number 11, the same way C represent 12, D represent 13, E for 14 and F for 15. Now that is how you are going to store the numbers in your hexadecimal number system. Okay. Now moving further, we are having binary numbers. As you already know, 2 is having as its base and digits are 0 and 1. So we are having some binary arithmetic on those numbers as well. In this chapter, we are going to see the arithmetic portion of binary numbers. By arithmetic, you already know we are having addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with us, right? So all these 4 things we will study one by one. So firstly you see over here about binary addition. This one, binary addition, it means only 2 digits we are using, 0 and 1, and we are adding both the numbers with them. Okay, now before just adding, let us see the rules of addition. These are the rules. These rules you can also get in your book. So 0 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, this is again 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. Now carry आप कहाँ देते हो? Carry you are giving on the left hand side, right? So over here in the last situation we are going to give a carry 1 on the left hand side. Now let us deal with our questions. See the first question we are having over here. 1 plus 0 is 1 simply. 0 plus 1 is 1 simply if you follow the rules. 0 plus 1 is again 1. 1 plus 1 we are having 0 with a carry 1 on the left hand side, right? Like this one. So again 1 plus 1 we are having 0 with a carry 1 on the left hand side. We are not having anything below this one, so this will be dragged downwards. Hence 1 0 0 1 1 1 is the first answer. Okay. Now see the second one quickly. This is your second example. Now see 0 plus 0 we are having as 0. 0 plus 1 we are having 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is again 0 with a carry 1 on the left hand side portion, right? So again 1 plus 1 we are having 0 with a carry 1 on the left hand side. Nothing is there on the left hand side, so this 1 will be dragged downwards, right? So this 1 0 0 1 1 0 is your second answer. Fine. So like this binary arithmetic we are going to do in this chapter. Now this was about binary addition. Let us see binary subtraction as well. So as for addition, we are also having some rules for subtraction. Let us see some rules. Firstly, see over here. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 minus 0 is 1, but we have to take a borrow 1 from the left hand side. नाउ देर इज़ अ बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ कैरी एंड अ बोरो. कैरी आप क्या करते हो, आप प्रोवाइड करते हो. बोरो क्या करते हो, आप लेते हो बोरो. राइट. सो ओवर हेयर वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट अ वैल्यू फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. वी जस्ट डोंट हैव टू गिव द वैल्यू, वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट एज वेल. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चंस. See the first question firstly. 0 minus 0 is 0 we are having, right? 1 minus 0 is again 1 we are having, no confusion. But with this 0 minus 1 we are supposed to write down 1, but we have to take a borrow from the left hand side, right? So borrow from here, if you take, it will become 0 and it will become 1 0, right? Now this is solved already. This is 0 over here. Now nothing is in the bottom, so you just drag the 0 downwards, and hence 0 1 1 0 is the correct answer. Okay, see the second example, this one. Let us follow the same rules over here also. So 0 minus 0 we are having as 0. 0 minus 1, see again we are having a confusion, so this 1 will become 0 and we are taking a borrow over here, right? Now this solution is going to give you 1. Again see 0 minus 1, the same situation again we are having. So let us take one borrow from the left hand side as well once again, and over here also you will get 1, and यहाँ पर आपका 0 बन जाता है. Nothing is at the bottom, so 0 will be dragged downwards. Okay, so that is why this is your answer for second example. Now we have already seen for binary addition and binary subtraction. Now let us see for binary multiplication as well. So see, binary multiplication we are having over here. Rules also we are having. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. Now my dear students, before doing these binary arithmetics, you should have a note on these rules, right? These rules should be very handy to you. Now see the multiplication. Let us see first example first, this one. Now see, firstly 0 will be multiplied with this 1101, right? So we will be using 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is again 0, 0 into 1 is again 0, 0 into 1 is again 0. 4 times 0 we have got. Now multiply. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, and this 1 into 1 again 1. Right, now you have to add on these two quantities with each other. So 0, simply 0 we are getting. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is again 1, and over here also 1. So 11010 is your correct answer. Right, see the second example. In the second example also you have to follow the same rule. Firstly start from the left hand side. So 1 into 1 will give you 1, 1 into 0 is giving you 0. Again see over here, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, and again over here the same rule 1. Right, we are done with the first digit. Now see 0 with 0 is having to be multiplied. So 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is again 0, one more time 0, and last time 0 also we are going to get over here. Now see third digit we are having as 1, so the same number you are going to get over here also. 10111. Now you have to add on these three quantities with each other. Okay, you have to follow the rules of addition. So this 1 will be dragged downwards. Over here 0 you will be getting, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1 on the left hand side, right? So 1 plus 1 is again 0 we are having with a carry 1 on the left hand side, right? Now see over here, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1 over here, and 0 plus 1 is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1 over here also. 1 plus 1 is 0 again with a carry, and this 1 will be dragged downwards. So this is your solution for the second example, right? Now we have completed our addition, subtraction and multiplication. The last binary arithmetic is your binary division. We are having a rules for binary division as well. So let us see for them firstly. See, only two rules we are having for division, that is 0 divided by 1 is 0, 1 divided by 1 is 1. Only these two rules you have to follow throughout your division portion. Now let us solve some examples. See the first one. Firstly we are having this two digit number now 1 1. Now we will see this two digit only. Okay, now if you multiply 1 1 with 1, simply you will be getting the same number, right? And now you have to subtract this one. Simply subtraction you will not be going to do. You have to follow the binary subtraction over here. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 again 0 you are getting. Now 0 0 we are having now. So for the next turn what we have to do, we just have to drag this 1 downward. This is the rule of division. So this 1 is over here. Now you see the the right hand side 0 we are not taking into concern, right? So we are having only one number with us, we want one more number. So what we do in usually division is that we apply simple 0 and we drag downwards one more digit, right? So now this 1 1 when you multiply with 1 you will be getting simply 1 1 with you, and the subtraction is going to give you nothing. Okay, so this 101 is the answer for your division part. Now see the second example for this binary division as well. We are having 1 0 with us and two digits we are going to count from the right hand side. 1 1 we are having. So simply what you can do is that you can multiply 1 0 with 1 and you will be getting 1 0 with you. Yes, now you have to subtract this part. Now see 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. We are having 0 and 1. I told you previously that this right hand side 0 we are not taking into concern. Yes, so only 1 we are left with, and now we have to drag the 0 downward, right? So 1 0 already you are having. Now the number is the same. If you multiply this 1 0 with 1, simply you are going to get the same number, that is 1 0. You have to subtract this thing one more time, you will be getting 0 0, right? One digit you have to drag downwards, that is 0. Yes, but we are having three zeros, these are not suitable for us. So we need one more digit, that is 1, to be dragged downwards with a 0, right? So we are having 1 with us. Now see the left hand side 0 we will not count, so we are left with only 1. That is why one more 0 we need to be dragged downwards with a 0 on the question portion. Okay, now you see 1 0 and over here also the same number. So you can multiply it with 1 and the same number you will be getting. With the help of this subtraction you will be getting nothing, right? So this is your answer, 11001. This is how you are going to follow the binary arithmetic with you. See, this chapter is very important, and from this chapter this portion is also very important. That is why we have discussed this portion with you right now. So as you know that you are going to have your exams on 5th of October, and we are having our live class on Thursday. Most probably tomorrow we are having the live class. So I want all of you to be present in that live class, and hopefully we will discuss the pattern of our half yearly examination. Okay, so till then keep learning, and thank you so much.